This is the first time I've balanced any of these type of wheels, and the reason these videos are taking so long and the bike taking so long to be put together is that I have to stop and make videos, and I don't mind doing that, but it takes time to stop and do it instead of just working my mind to do it. Anyway, I bought a bunch of weights. I'm going to show you how this is done comparatively. A box of these were bought at Les Schwab. These say FO 50. They mean half an ounce. I've already got 2 ounces on here of these are FO 10s, and the heaviest part was naturally down where the valve stem is. Now what should happen is if you put counterweights on the exact opposite side, it should stay. Alright, we're doing this for comparison here. What this shows me is that the tire is still not balanced with 2 ounces of weight on it. So now we're going to go on to the next thing, which is these tire manufacturers take an account for the valve stem being the heaviest spot. The way they do it is they make a lighter spot on the tire itself, and usually it's right here. I believe it's right here. It's this little circle right here. Okay, if you'll notice on your regular car tires or anything like that, if you go out and look on them, they'll have a little white dot or a little red dot or maybe a little blue dot. What that's telling the installer is to get the inner tube put in the wheel. Before you inflate it, rotate this dot all the way to where it matches right here. So you have the heaviest part of the better not go in there. You got the heaviest part of the inner tube on the lightest part of the tire, which is right here, I believe. Now I don't know that for sure, but we're going to try that. I'm going to deflate the tire. I'm going to move the inner tube over to where it is, and I want to see if it takes 2.5 ounces to balance it, because that doesn't make a lot of sense. If it takes a lighter weight, then everything I said is correct. Of course, I've never done this before, but our goal is to, the heaviest part of the tire is right there. Our goal is to take the tire at any position of the valve stem, and let go of it with my hand and have it not move. And I can put it up here and it shouldn't move. I can put it over here and it should not move. It should be perfectly balanced between one side and the other. What this is showing us, and I'm using, I know these videos are slow, but I'm using them for future balancing. This is called a bubble balancer. Got it from something Discount Ramps, and it was pretty cheap. You can get them with extra added accessories I don't need. And even with all that weight on it, 2 ounces, that would be 4 of these. It's still not balanced. Alright, I'm going to deflate, move the inner tube in the tire, reinflate, and we'll try again.